Hey everyone, and welcome back to Go High Level 360. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an IVR system that I've built to work with AI. So we've now integrated using the conversation AI inside our high level account, as well as using platforms like Air AI in our IVR system. So that way, when somebody calls in, instead of connecting them to a live agent, we can actually connect them with an Air agent instead. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. And we're going to do a test first. So first I'm going to call myself so you guys can hear kind of how it works. And then I'll go ahead and show you how it's configured. Okay, so I have another high level account open here. I'm going to go ahead and call into my IVR system.
Hi, thank you for calling. Let's get you in touch with the right representative. For sales, please press 1. For support, please press 2. For additional options, please press 3. To repeat this menu, please press 4. Thank you for calling.
Okay, so let's try support.
Thank you for reaching out to our support department. To report an issue, please press 1. To schedule a support call, please press 2. To speak with a live representative, please press 3. Thank you for calling.
Okay, now if I were to press 3, which I'll show you in the back end of the IVR system how this would work, but it's going to connect me to an Air agent.
Please wait while we connect your call.
Okay. So I don't have my Air AI system connected here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the backend so you can see how it's going to work. Okay, so here is the backend of the IVR system. Now, the way this is built is similar to my original IVR. I did change up the directories a little bit. So for instance, you have sales support and then other, and there's a few more enhancements in this snapshot. So for instance, we've added some reputation management. We've added some affiliate options if you want to, give somebody the option to become an affiliate when they call in or leave a review, that kind of thing. So somebody calls in your system, they have the 3 directory options. They also have no key press, which is if they call in and they hear your directory, or maybe they only listen halfway through and they hang up the phone, that's considered a no key press. So they're automatically going to flow into this flow here, so this branch. And in this branch, I do have custom fields again. I like to track where everybody came in my IVR system. This is not necessary. You don't have to have this. I just like to include it, especially if I'm doing an IVR system where I'm going to ask them, what products they'd be interested in. I'd like to know where they left off in that system. So we update our custom fields, we assign them to a user, we wait 30 seconds, and we send this first intro message. So here it is. Now, what this is designed to do is if you don't have the conversation AI set up inside your high level account, I have a video. I will put it in the description below, and it's going to walk you through how you can configure your conversation AI, as well as how you can test it to make sure that it's giving you the responses that you would want to be responded to your prospects. So this is the intro message. And then what happens here is if they respond to this message, then the conversational AI inside your high level account is going to communicate with that prospect. And then depending on how you have it configured, whether you want it to, book them an appointment with them, or if you want it to sell them and maybe send them a link, depending on how you have your conversation AI configured, the AI is going to take it from there. Now, if the prospect doesn't respond to that intro message, and it's been 30 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to flow the prospect to this custom webhook action. Now, you do have to have premium webhooks enabled inside your high-level account. So if you don't have that enabled, you're going to want to enable that. Now, once that's enabled, the prospect flows into this webhook. This is, there's a video setting this up that Air did, which I have in the comments of this workflow. But basically, this is going to send that caller their phone number. If your system does have their name, whatever information the system does have, it's going to send it into your Air AI account. And then depending on what prompt, so what AI agent you have configured here, that's the bot that's going to call them back. And again, if you don't know how to configure this webhook, I pretty much have it already configured for you. All you have to do is paste in your prompt ID. Now, if you don't know where to find this, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is go into your Air AI account, go into edit your bot. So whatever bot you want to call this prospect back with, go into edit. And then at the very top of your screen, there'll be like a string of numbers, 5 numbers. In fact, I'll go ahead and show you my screen so you can see what that would look like too. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up an Air AI account. This is one of my clients' accounts. I did the Air AI integration for her, and I managed the scripting for her as well. So basically, when you're inside your AI agent that you want to use for this, at the very top, you'll notice this string of 5 numbers here. You're going to copy this and you're going to go back into your snapshot here and you're going to paste it in when you open the webhook action. You're going to paste it in here where it says prompt ID. This is where you would paste it, and then you would hit save action. So it's really easy. Again, if you need more clarification or explanation, there is a video in the comments of this action that shows you how to do it directly from AirAI. So after that, we have our sales directory. Obviously, a lot of this is similar to the original where we do have the send demo calendar link and the send current promotional / special offers if they request that. And then if they want to speak to a live representative, what we've done here, instead of adding your user as the call number, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your AirAI account and you're going to create an inbound call agent. So the way you do that, make sure you already have your inbound agent set up for your bot, but you're going to go into your campaigns and you're basically going to create a new campaign and you're going to set your agent. So you'll choose whatever agent you want, and then you'll go ahead and you'll select inbound calling. So select inbound calling, select your agent, and then whatever area code you put in here, it's actually going to create a phone number. So put in your area code. When you hit save and launch, it's going to give you the phone number that you can use to send to somebody to call. You're going to take that same phone number, you're going to copy it, and you're going to go back into your workflow, and you're going to go to the connect call action, and you're going to paste, you're going to go to add custom number, and then here you're going to paste in that AirAI phone number. And one of the things that I think is pretty cool is you can actually set up multiple AI bots. So you can have an AirAI bot specifically for sales. You can then create a different bot and a different campaign for your support calls and so on and so forth. So I think it's a really cool feature. Now, in the event that maybe you've already hit your daily budget for your AirAI campaigns, or for whatever reason, the AI just didn't answer the phone, you know, glitches happen, things happen sometimes. So in the event that that does happen and the AI is not able to pick up the phone, we're going to first request that they leave a voicemail with their name and phone number. And then we're going to send them a text letting them know, hey, we got your voicemail, we'll reach out to you shortly. And then it's going to wait and it's going to use the webhook action again, and it's going to add that person inside the queue for the AirAI. Now, again, make sure you use the correct campaign number here for that specific AirAI agent. Now, if you guys do need help with your AirAI account, setting up AirAI or understanding how to utilize it, feel free to schedule a consultation with me. I have done integrations with AirAI in the past, and I currently do work with AirAI for some of my clients. Now, this is the same process for support. Once again, we have report an issue, schedule support call, and then live representative. It's going to be the same thing as the sales bot. And then, like I said, here is where on the call connect feature, you can add a custom number for a different campaign that's attached to a AI bot that has a support script that it needs to follow. And then here's where I added a few more things to this IVR system. So in the event that they select the additional options IVR key, they now have the option to become an affiliate, leave a review, or apply for a job with your company. Now I'm going to mention here all of the messaging in this IVR system. I used 11 Labs and I made it generic, okay? I made it generic enough where it can fit for any business right away. In the event that you like all of these directories, it's going to be perfect for you. Now, if you want to know what that scripting is that I used, I did, again, I put it in the comments of this IVR automation. So if you just go to these 3 little dots, go to comments here, it's going to pull up the comments on this action. Now here, this is my link for 11 Labs. If you want to sign up and you want to start utilizing it, feel free to. I personally am a big fan of 11 Labs. Their voices just sound so much better than HighLevel's. If you want to mimic the messaging I use and just customize it to your business, there is a Google Doc here. You can go ahead and click on it. It's going to open a template for you. And here is all the messaging. So you can basically just use template and then copy this messaging, paste it in 11 Labs, and then put in your business name or customize it however you would like. Okay, so back to the automation here. So we have send affiliate sign up link. Now you're going to be able to go in and see all the text messaging that's here. You can make adjustments as you like for your business. We also have more custom values that we're utilizing. And once again, I have added a few more enhancements. So rather than just have an AI-powered IVR automation, I've added in some reputation management automations that can help you. So we have a send rate your experience form. The reason I do it this way instead of just sending them directly to my Google My Business or my Facebook, at least this is what I recommend for you as a business owner, is send them a form that they can submit first where they can give you a rating. That way, before you actually send them to your page, you get a better idea of, hey, is this a happy customer? Is this an unhappy customer? And how can I better help them or improve their experience with my business? So we've now added, if you go into the Sites tab, this snapshot is going to have some business forms. It's going to have an affiliate sign up form. All of this was created black and white, so it's very plain, simple. You can customize the coloring. The affiliate form has the full name and the email, and there's an automation that goes with this. So if you go back into your automations, you'll notice inside the Advanced IVR Automations folder, there's a new affiliate sign up. Again, this is another automation that just enhances the power of the snapshot. They become an affiliate, it automatically adds them to the affiliate manager, and then you just have to go in after you've created your affiliate campaign, or if you already have one set up, just make sure you add that campaign to the automation here. Okay, now the way the reputation management works is if they want to leave a review, the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to send them a review form. So here it's the rating form is what we call it. And this is just basically going to ask them for their information and for them to rate their experience on a scale of 1 to 5. Now, in the event that they pick 4 or 5, they can submit their rating, and then there's a secondary automation that's going to automatically send out a link to your Google My Business or Facebook, whatever way you've configured your reputation inside your HighLevel account. Now, in the event that they click 1, 2, or 3, then we're going to populate this hidden custom field, which is going to ask them what we could have done differently to get better feedback from them. Now, again, these are all built-in automations that just enhance the power of the snapshot. So that is it for the Advanced AI powered IVR system. If you guys are looking for an AI powered IVR system, go ahead and check this out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. We do have other snapshots available in our snapshot library, and we're coming out with more and more every single week. So feel free to take a look at that as well. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Like this video, and if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Now, I do have a HighLevel agency. If you're a business owner and you're needing help with HighLevel, or you're looking to hire somebody who can help you set up your HighLevel system, please feel free to reach out to me. I've had a few people reach out to me now. I really don't mind helping and seeing if we can work something out. If you need my services, I'm happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.